could be reversing the controversial redesigner it launched last year with Pixel users. According to reports by the authority, Google is redesigning part of the Google Photos redesign after users highlighted usability concerns. Last Google overhauled the Photos app by interface changes and new tweaks to simplify navigation and AI-driven features. Not many were fans of it, so it's now looking at a way of taking the feature seriously and bring back previous interface to the app. The reports the most significant change is the reverse of the Google return of direct control for essential tools of adjust and filter to the bottom screen. In current redesign, Google Photos has 300 tools. The newer version will bring back the horrible carousel. This adjustment removes a step where you are editing photos, allowing a one-tap action most frequently used functionalities. It is bringing back the dedicated crop as combined category after dismantling into various parts. From that, Google Photos is refining the visual language. The update, the action label will show in pill-shaped borders that highlighted. It makes it clearer which tools currently in use. To save vertical space, Google Photos is the large Help Me Edit image from Ask button. There's pressing a new Explore tab at the top of welcome screen. It creates a vertical sliding to TikTok style of your personal videos with AI, location, people, and content. The new Explore feed sits alongside the memory section. The update is appearing for a limited number of users on different app versions. It could take time to deliver the updates to the users.